ya kitutu cha North abo bakwegerwa kera erubusa iguru gutasarwa insi yekyumbi gya ISF SICOM nabo igo manga hata nigo okorekanira ase skuru yoboroso ya Ragogo ensemo yebunge ya kitutu cha North ritkolya lero niga Abanyaroka emia ya mono yomo babekeru chigutwa na kolya eira tibagwo chigwancha gosarwa korengano mutenereri gwekyumbi gya ISF Kenya Irene Kombo nigo ainekirigoro yobuya bw'umurobero yo okonyira abana Abanyaroka gwetania eribweyemo gesa uchakiwa tiango tomonyoro musakito Petwell Machiri na roboti urwase ubwagari
Mtongiro gukumia tonsara nerengane mwamu kurwasa abana Abanyaroka kurwasa skuru aochoboroso imeyabugetutu asabana Abanyaroka wetania meyemo babekire chugutwa maiga yo konyora maigerio asichurusa chetrisatu imeye skuru yoboroso ya Ragogo utoke mebunge ya kitutu cha North County ya Kisii maigo yo gwikiranwa na ebyombe aho bitari be serikali kiria gya SF KOBWATERANA SICOM na wigo manga hat
intongiro bokumia tonsara medio gitonsara
kurengana na mugene munene oikirana ste omuyigo yigambo MC Mochwari we county ya Kisii Moskirian Gor nigako kiro moroberio yiga omuyaso gokonya abana bo na bigabo ibuli babo tibasara abana Abanyaroka.
We have convened here to celebrate the alternative rite of passage. This is a day that they are leaving their training centers to go outside there and join the community after being equipped appropriately. The alternative rite of passage is basically acknowledging that our cultures as Omombesi community is a right culture, only that we do not support the culture that would demean a girl and the culture that would lead to pain and a culture that would lead to frustration and abuse.
Since me amutenni wekyombiga ISF Kenya Irene Kombe nigo airero mokyoyo asabana wetanieri weyemo banyora mwegeria yamaya gesugu cyake okumorobere yo mwaka w'ikirubere na 2020 yomo nakuwikiria abanyagitari KOBWATERANA usara umwana Munyaroka.
We are happy that we are making strides despite the challenges that we are encountering on the way. This program has made very good strides. Some review that we did sometimes last year revealed that as much as FGM is still happening, the numbers are going down. The perception of the community is also changing, that we can still allow girls to go through other alternative rites of passage without harming them, without hurting them. And so we are happy to note that this is making some very great strides towards stopping and ending FGM in Kisii and Nyamira counties. I think one of the greatest challenges that we really need to speak about is the medicalization of FGM in GUSII land. It's one of the challenges that we've encountered as we fight against FGM in these two counties. And a call of action to all the leaders in this county, the Ministry of Health, everyone, all the stakeholders, the CSOs. I think it's high time that we put our heads together to really strategize on how best we can fight this menace.
Umuteneni w'umu county commissioner we county ya Kisii na wigo umuteneni we kyombigia SICOM Stella Choki nibo bagukire wigo moroberio yo na kuburia okubwaterana eri gukora egekorwa ikyo.
Kama serikali tunafurahi sana kwa sababu hilo ni jambo ambalo limekuwa likitusumbua especially hii area ya Marani, na tunaposhirikiana na mashirika mengine kama SICOM, ISF, tunashukuru Mungu maana kama serikali peke yetu hatuwezi.
Na ndegene call gocha sa Bible balia twari kwegeria abana babo nga mutobwati sikogendera kurwa gochibosyo egere abana bali babe muna barenge slogan yaba yarenge nga ntongire ogokumya tonsara inere message bali gotuma gocha sikero monto asa Bible.
As the assembly, what we know is that we are looking forward to passing a policy that will then prioritize the needs of the girl child and the boy child in the community. That is the child protection policy that outrightly condemns FGM as a practice in this community and even countrywide.
Asabasache bona baburigwe KOBWATERANA elio kugikiria bikorwa biga byo gusara umwana Munyaroka.
This moment we want to call all men, to be vigilant of what is happening with their daughters, so that the daughters are not taken far away and the fight is done for them without men getting involved.
Banaga bali balinde pari kari wagaka bari kireti, batubwaterana so koranto anya kuikiringani yiga, egera abana baitu bakine ende baso.
Ripotiria Ensoko TV kuroiga sikuru ya Rugugo imebungia kitutu cha North County ya Kisii iliyo na Pethuel.